Clamp once, machine complete. With the disc milling unit on the M80, this principle becomes reality. High performance, intelligent processes, and automation enable complete machining in a single setup, especially for complex components such as crankshafts. Let's talk about this with Stefan Voglhuber. Stefan, please briefly introduce yourself. What is your role at WFL?
My name is Stefan Voglhuber. I'm Application Engineer in the Project Department. I work for WFL since 26 years. For 11 years I was doing the acceptance tests and programming, tool layouts. And for 15 years now I'm working in the pre-sales technical support.
What exactly are we looking at here?
We're looking here at the M80 MILLTURN with a disc milling unit.
What makes this disc milling unit technologically unique?
The unique thing on this milling unit is its huge power and torque. We're talking here about 70 kilowatt milling power at the torque of 12,000 Newton meter, which enables us to rough mill crankshafts, for example, in a highly productive way.
Which performance data are most important and why?
The performance data, as I told you, 70 kilowatt milling power at 100% ratio, 12,000 Newton meter torque, and a maximum speed of 100 RPM. Maximum disc cutter diameter is 1,000 millimeters.
What kind of applications is this system designed for?
It's made for rough machining of crankshafts, of forged crankshafts, once again in a very high productive way.
How do you manage to pre-machine crankshafts completely in a single setup?
It depends a little bit on the machine execution. In this case we see a tailstock machine, but we do this machine also as a counter spindle machine. So this means we can load just the forged crankshaft and unload the finished roughed crankshaft.
What are the advantages of machining with two units simultaneously?
With two units, of course, we can cut the machining time almost by half and once again gain or generate once more productivity.
Despite the high performance, how do you ensure precision?
The machine can be equipped with an integrated probe, which we can swivel in. And with this probe, we can determine the run out, we can determine the index, the spacing in between the bearings, and general diameter measurements.
How easy is it to program such complex geometries?
Thanks to our software department, we've got, together with this machine, real nice and easy to use cycles. So it's really easy to program such a crankshaft with just a few parameters, very flexible in feed and speed variations.
What role do special cycles and automatic feed regulation play?
Automatic feed regulation, of course, is also vital as we are talking about forged raw material, and there's sometimes a quite big variation in stock levels, and by feed regulation we can react on these variations. As you can see, the sheer number of inserts on this cutter, it takes quite a while to index all the inserts. Yeah? It's much faster to change the whole cutter out of the machine and bring in a new cutter and change the index the inserts than outside of a machine. So the downtime of a machine is more or less negligible.
How far does this go towards fully unmanned production?
It's almost unmanned production, let's say. It will not be fully unmanned. We still have to index the inserts, but we are really close to it.
Who is this solution particularly interesting for?
It's basically for the large crankshaft industry. The world is searching for energy, and these crankshafts are typically used for power generation. Around the world, of course, especially in the US, but also in Germany and other areas of the globe.
Your conclusion, what is the biggest benefit for the customer?
Yeah, there are several benefits. Yeah, first of all, the flexibility with this solution. By the quick cutter change, we can cover different shapes of a crankshaft, and also the machining power and the reduced machining time of such complex crankshafts. I believe this will be the biggest impact for the customers. Of course, this is a special WFL solution. As always, We are trying to give our customers the best performance and best performing machines. And I'm sure with this machine, our customers will be one step ahead again.